Hello everyone, come along with me while I unbox this magnificent 8-piece Little Bird mini brush set from Himi, which is a treasure that every artist should possess. This comes in a cute oval shaped box and comes in two colors, blue and pink. It has a nice soft cloth, 8 brushes and a handle which we can attach, making it very ideal for carrying around. So these are the brushes which comes in a nice sea blue color. They are made of synthetic hair and comes in a variety of sizes and variations. Let us see about each and every brush in this box in detail. Let us begin with a flat brush of size 4, which is small and has a narrow width. They are ideal for detailed work on small to medium size areas and for precise lines. It is great for fine details, small stroke and controlled applications. And with regard to precision, they provide more control for intricate tasks and detail painting. The next one which I'm trying is the flat brush of size 6, which has a large and wider width when compared to the size 4 brush. They are suitable for covering large areas, making bold strokes and creating broad, even lines. These brushes are effective for painting larger surfaces, adding volume to our artwork. They are great for creating more substantial marks. And talking about the coverage, they offer great coverage and great for filling in large spaces and for making broad and sweeping strokes. Next on line is the Filbert brush of size 6, used for creating rounded strokes. The Filbert brush generally combines the versatility of both flat and rounded brushes. They soften and merge colors really smoothly. They are good for detailing and creating round strokes. It is an ideal brush which can be used for painting curved lines and shapes with a soft and natural edge. They are one of the best when it comes to texture creation. To summarize, their rounded edge and medium size makes it suitable for both detailed and broader applications. Now let's look at the round brush of size 3, which is slightly larger than the size 2 brush. This brush is better for more general purpose work, for filling in small areas, or creating slightly thicker lines. They are precise but still allow slightly broader strokes, which is useful when you need to cover more area but want some control. It covers a large area with each stroke, allowing for quicker work on small to medium areas. The round brush of size 2 is smaller with a finer tip and is typically used for detail work such as fine lines and delicate strokes. It offers more precision due to its small size, making it ideal for tight, controlled strokes. It covers less area, making it suitable for detail work. The round brush of size 2 is essential for artists needing precision and accuracy in their work. So the difference between a round 2 and a round 3 brush primarily lies in their size, specifically the diameter and the length of the bristles. In summary, while both are versatile and can be used for various techniques, the round 2 brush is better for finer details and the round 3 brush is better for slightly broader strokes and coverage. Now let's take a look at the liner brushes. Liner brushes are ideal for painting long, continuous lines such as outlines, whiskers, tree branches or lettering. The liner brush of size 0 is slightly thicker in the liner brush series. It produces fine lines with more coverage, making it ideal for detail work that requires visibility but are not ultra fine. The liner brush of size 00 are thinner and more delicate. It creates extremely fine lines and is better suited for intricate details and very precise work. The double liner brush is finer than the size 0, offering more precision for the most delicate tasks. Liner brushes are useful for creating hairline strokes, making it a favorite thing for lashes in portraits or fine grasses in landscapes. Now moving on to the fan brush, which is of size 8. The bristles are spread out in a fan shape, providing a wide but thin surface area. These bristles are soft yet resilient, allowing for smooth application of paint. Size 8 brushes are moderately large, offering a balance between coverage and detail. And with regard to the usage, these brushes are ideal for creating textures like grass, leaves or fur by lightly dabbing or sweeping the brush. It smoothly blends colors, especially in landscapes, for trees, clouds and soft edges. They are very useful for creating special effects like feathers, hair or wispy clouds. On the whole, this Himi brush set is definitely a treasure. Go and shop this great art tool from Tobii website. Thank you.